Hi guys, welcome back to today's room. Today I'm going to be doing a sketch. I'm using a Strathmore sketch book, 5 by 5 or 5.5 by 8.5 inch sketchbook. I'm going to be using just regular pencils, sketching pencils, and maybe a little bit of charcoal and uh, a Prismacolor black pencil at the end. This is going to be a black and white sketch. I've always wanted to try to sketch a face. Um, I see these people on YouTube and on Instagram, and the work that they come up with just using a pencil and drawing materials, it baffles me. And so I wanted to give it a shot. I know I'm going to be nowhere near what they can do, but this is the start of my drawing journey, really, as far as faces. Um, So yes, I'm going to give it a shot here. I found a picture that I liked online. I thought it would be interesting to draw it, and hopefully it turns out as well as I, envision in my mind. We'll see. As you can see, I don't. I tend not to use the little line, circles and lines that most people use when they're drawing something. I probably should learn how to do it, but I don't think I have the patience. Um, so I just do it mostly by sight and estimate how things look. So as a result, this picture doesn't wind up looking exactly like the original, but ultimately I'm happy with how it turned out. So this image is a picture of a an African American woman, and she is looking very excited, like she is seeing somebody that she hasn't seen for a very long time, and she has this big, like, surprised look on her face, and it's a very there's a lot of variances between the light and the dark, where the light is coming from the left side of the image, so it's going to be on the front of her face, and the right side is dark, and it's on a black backdrop, so that I'll be filling in the open space with the black Prismacolor pencil towards the end. Right now, I'm just trying to get the basis of the shading, where the light is hitting, and where the most of the shadows are found. So here's where I switched over to charcoal just to get the shading on the rear side of the face. And here I'm using a darker charcoal to get the deeper shadows, like on the inside of the mouth, the nostril. And I'm blending it all now with the little white blending tool. I love how that blending tool really smooths out the charcoal. As you can see, my representation of the face doesn't. Sheer joy isn't exactly the emotion that would come to mind. Looking at this face, this is maybe my this lady's face. You know, she opened up the microwave after her teenage son just microwaved a bowl of soup or something. You know, here I'm using the black Prismacolor pencil to get the black backdrop. Anybody else have a hard time coloring like that at the tops or the bottoms of the pages? That drives me crazy. I'm just putting another layer of the black pencil on here to just make it as opaque as possible. And now I'm just going to go in with the white Prismacolor and just add a few touches of highlight here and there. And I think that's going to do it. It's a quick one today. Here is the reference photo. As you can see, she's much more joyous in this picture compared to mine. Mine looks like she just witnessed a murder, but yeah, so can't win them all, but I liked how it turned out. And I had fun doing it, so I hope you liked watching it, and thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.